How to connect to Sony Smart TV with set-top box. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your Sony Smart TV to a set-top box like your cable or satellite receiver quickly and easily. Step 1. Connecting the HDMI cable. First, locate the HDMI out port on the back of your set-top box. Now, take an HDMI cable and plug one end into HDMI out port. Next, find an available HDMI in port on your Sony Smart TV. It might be labeled HDMI 1 or HDMI 2, and plug the other end of the cable into it. Step 2. Selecting the HDMI input on the TV. Turn on your Sony TV and your set-top box. Then, using your Sony remote, press the input or search button. A list of inputs will appear on the screen. Select the HDMI port you just used, like HDMI 1, and press OK. You should now see your set-top box screen on your TV. Step 3. Optional. Enable Bravia Sync. If you'd like to control both your TV and your set-top box with one remote, go to your Sony TV settings. Navigate to Settings, Watching TV, External Inputs, Bravia Sync Settings, and turn it on. This lets the device communicate to HDMI CAC. Step 4. Troubleshooting tips. If you don't see a signal, make sure the set-top box is turned on. Check that HDMI cable is securely connected at both ends. If your box is older and doesn't support HDMI, you can also use AV or component cables matching the color-coded ports. And that's it. That was the full tutorial on how to connect your Sony Smart TV to a set-top box. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your TV time.